Hello, crypto voyagers. Just when you thought the crypto seas were calm, a storm rolls in. The Manta network, right in the middle of its token issuance, has been struck by a DDoS attack. Now the question on everyone's mind, what does this entail for the project? First things first, a distributed denial of service or a DDoS attack is a nefarious strategy used to disrupt normal network operations by flooding it with excessive traffic. Unfortunately, Manta Network has found itself in the crosshairs of such an attack during a pivotal phase in their token issuance. So, how might this affect Manta's ongoing token issuance? Well, it's not a stretch to say this could introduce unexpected delays and complications. Investors, community members, and the team behind the project are undoubtedly holding their breath, waiting for the next development. The real intrigue lies in Manta Network's response to this predicament. Are they deploying immediate measures to counteract this attack? The crypto universe is a fast-paced one, and how a project handles sudden hurdles can speak volumes about its resilience. Now it's your turn, fellow crypto explorers. What are your thoughts on Manta Network taking a DDoS attack on the ddos'attackamidtokenissuance token issuance? Make sure to leave your thoughts down in the comments. It's important that we pool our insights and stand in solidarity with projects battling through these trials. As the story continues to unfold, rest assured we'll keep you in the loop with any new developments. The world of cryptocurrency is always ripe with unexpected twists and turns, and how projects cope with adversity is part of the adventure. Stay tuned for more updates on Manta Network and other breaking crypto news. If you found this update enlightening, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe for more cutting-edge crypto content. Thanks for diving into this with us, and until next time, stay savvy and stay crypto curious.